Hi everyone, welcome to Paula's garden.
Scotch bonnet peppers.
Scotch bonnets. I am going to deseed these today. You can use the seeds if you want to. It's actually the easiest pepper as far as I'm concerned on deseeding. Just hold it right from the bottom. It's perfect. Don't get any of the, juice from this pepper or the seeds on you. Otherwise, you might want to wear some gloves. Just go in a circle with your paring knife. Remember, anything that the peppers touch is going to be spicy. Give it a tap. Perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and finish more of these Scotch bonnets. I'm getting a couple green ones for some different color for my next recipe. But here we go. We're going to get started on Scotch Bonnet Mango Hot Sauce. And I'm going to use 24 of these peppers, the yellow ones, for this upcoming recipe. Here we go. I have 24 Scotch bonnets. We're going to add 1 cup of vinegar. And we're going to go ahead and blend this up. Wow, look at that color. So beautiful. All right. I grew these in the garden. Had 4 plants, and it's giving me quite a bit of Scotch bonnets. I'm going to add half of my garlic. I had 10 cloves here, so I'm going to put 5 garlics in there. You can blend this all at one time, but I just feel like it blends easier. Now mango. Mango, we're going to need 2 cups. One. Maybe a couple more. 2. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. You want to use canning salt or any salt that does not have any iodine. So you wouldn't want to use your table salt when canning. When you do that, unfortunately, it can change the color of your vegetables and whatever else you're canning. So try to use canning salt or anything with no iodine. Okay, let's get this liquefied. Okay, we're just going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to strain it, and then we're going to put it in our bottles. It is this easy. That's all you have to do. Put it in a blender, bring it up to a boil, put it in a strainer, put it in your bottles. Okay, so after you strain it, you end up with all the thicker ingredients in the strainer. So now, put this in your dehydrator, and then when it's all dehydrated, throw it in a food processor and make it into a powder. And then you could go ahead and add this to your sour cream and make your own favorite hot dip. I do this with all my spicy hot pepper dishes. And I have jalapeno, cayenne pepper, chili pepper, and then of course now I'm going to have more Scotch bonnet, which I was all out of. Next step, putting it in jars. So we're all set up. I have boiling water over here because we're going to put shrink wrap over the bottles. I have my little funnel. We're going to pour slowly into these bottles. These bottles are hot. They just came out of the dishwasher. And we just boiled the hot sauce and strained it. It's quite warm. So we have warm going into warm bottle. You gotta remember, you want to keep everything nice and clean. You don't want anything to get into this bottle other than what you're doing right now. You don't want any bacteria to grow. The acid in the mango, the acid in the peppers, and then you have your vinegar and some salt. You really have a great item that can last on your shelf for up to 2 years. Now you see that mess we made? We gotta make sure we clean that up. Let me just do one more. And then I'll show you how we cap them up. Pouring slowly is good. There's no air getting in there. It's very important. I want to bring it right up to that first rim. And we're going to overflow. And it happens. Just bring it on over and go like that. There you go. You're going to clean the rims anyways. Okay, so we have paper towel ready and we have vinegar in a little bowl. And we're going to go ahead and clean those tops. Even though you're not canning this, you still don't want to have any bacteria growth anywhere on this bottle. This one I really made a mess of, but so just get it good and clean. Spend a few seconds to do it so you have something that lasts on your shelf. Or you can get this, these are great for gifts. This is what I do. I have cute little stickers, you know, that go on the bottles. All right, so we have 2 done. There's a little white cap that goes on. Actually, let's do something else here. I'm going to take out a little bit. This really actually has a little too much in it. So pour a little out. Give it a good shake down. See where you're at. You really want to be right about there. Right on this rim. It looks good. Okay, clean it again. So I'm going to get another cap. I'm not going to use that same one. There's some on there. Okay. I'm going to tighten this down. Give it a good tight. I mean, don't break it, but, you know, tighten it up. Okay. Get the cover over. Bring it on down. And place it into the hot water. Perfect. Scotch Bonnet, mango, hot sauce. Guys, this was not easy. Is that what you're going to tell me? No, we both know. We all know. Whoever's watching this with me, you all know this was easy. There was nothing hard here. And you can have your own hot sauce right at home. I'm going to continue filling up my bottles, and I'll see y'all back when it's all finished. see 5 beautiful bottles for my cupboard or to give away. Those should last, if you look at your expiration date on your own hot sauces that you buy at the store, you'll see they last 2 to 3 years. There's vinegar, there's good acid content in these between the peppers and the vinegar, and of course we got salt in there. And I have a little dabadoo, look at this, for the refrigerator for us. So that should be yummy over the next couple days. When those cool down, I'm going to go put the labels on. And of course, I'm still picking Scotch bonnets. So more recipes to come. I'll show you what that looks like when those cool down with the cute little labels on it. Easy peasy.